guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove and add backgrounds to your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video and then you're going to want to go to cutout and select auto cutout. Make sure your background is plain so you can remove it really well. Once you're done, you're just going to want to add a background to it. So go to basic and scroll down until you find canvas. Select either blur. Can't really see it. I'm just going to choose style for this one. And just choose from these backgrounds, like anything you want, of course. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!